to ATM English Story Time. I am teacher Cindy. Today the story we are going to talk about is this one that we mentioned last time. A bear and his honey. So you learned that the bear really like honey. You can tell from the video I shared to you, right? So, have you ever think about 小朋友们，你有没有想过，这些蜂蜜是哪里来的呀？是谁制造出这些蜂蜜呀？你有没有想过？有些小朋友会说 ，Teacher me, I know the answer. Me, Teacher me. Oh, very good. So boys and girls, before you answer Teacher Cindy's questions, let's watch the video first. The video is about bees. It's about bees. The bees will show you how they make honey. 所以这个视频呢，小朋友你要认真看，用你的 focused eyes 认真看。等一下你来回答我的问题哦。So the video is from the National Geography， 是国家地理频道，他们很专业的摄影师所拍摄出来、捕捉出来的画面。所以你仔细看 ，use your focused eyes and answer my question later on. So 小朋友，现在你已经知道，你看过这个视频，你就知道这个蜂蜜，我们 bear 很喜欢吃的蜂蜜，它是借由蜜蜂怎么做出来的吧 ？Okay, so today we are going to learn the circle life of the bees. 这只蜜蜂从一生出来是卵，变成幼虫。变成蛹，到最后变成这只成虫的蜜蜂，它飞出去取得蜂蜜的一个过程。We are going to learn the life cycle of the bees. Life cycle of the bees. So the first word we are going to learn is called egg. Everyone, we say egg. Easy one. Egg. Your turn. So the egg is bee's egg. Second one, when the egg breaks, 什么东西出来了 ？We say pupa. Your turn. Very good. 所以呢，这个 pupa 的意思是什么？小朋友你应该知道，刚出来的小的小蜜蜂，它还不算是一个蜜蜂，所以它是蜜蜂的幼虫，我们称它为 pupa. We say pupa. And later when they go bigger and bigger, then they eat a lot and they become strong, so they start to become a larva. One more time. Larva. We'll repeat it for 3 times. We say larva. Your turn. Very good. So after 1 week, 它在蛹里面要待一段时间蜕变嘛，所以它在蛹里头会休息，然后同时间的它会长大。那它长到最后要把这个蛹破巢而出的时候，它 become an adult 成虫了，它就会是一只 bee， 它就是一只蜜蜂了。所以蜜蜂的成虫你会说吗？它叫 adult. Your turn. OK， 所以下一次你看到这个 honey 的时候，你就会想到，哦，妈妈、爸爸，我知道这一个蜜蜂它是怎么产出蜂蜜的，而且我还知道的 life cycle of the bees. So let's review one more time, then we're gonna jump into the life cycle sequencing. Okay? So the first one will be egg. The second one, is the second one adult? No. Is the second one larva? No. How about pupa? That's right. And then larva and adult. So now teacher Cindy is going to help you to use this graphic organizer to help you to have the sequence of the life cycle of the bee. So the first one, 你们看到 one is either 1 and then 3rd and the 4th. Easy to understand? I think so. So the first one, let's put egg on that. Yes. So the first one is egg. We say egg, egg, egg. Egg, egg, egg. How about the second one? The second one is, let me think about it. Yes, it's pupa. Everybody, we say pupa. So pupa is the second step of the life cycle. So we're gonna spell it out as P-U-P-A. Pupa. How about the third one is called larva. Good, you guys are great. So larva is the third step of the life cycle of the bee. L-A-R-V-A. And the last one, 它变成成虫了。小朋友知道成虫的英文吗？它叫做 adult. So adult is A-D-U-L-T. So you know the life cycle of the bee. So B-E-E. Life circle. Okay? So start from an egg, the pupa, larva, and adult. So next time when you see a bee, you can tell what does it form and how it transforms into a bee. Okay? 所以小朋友，今天呢，这只熊它非常喜欢吃 honey. Do you like honey? So let's make honey drink, okay? 所以小朋友，今天的 DIY Cindy 老师要跟大家分享的是怎么做一个 honey drink. First of all, you need a glass of honey. 小朋友家里如果你有蜂蜜的话，你可以准备起来。Second one, you need the glasses of cup, okay? You need a glass. 一个或者是说马克杯也可以，或者是一些一般的杯子，只要能够装 honey water 就可以了。And third one, because I like ice honey, I have my ice cube over here. Okay? And remember what we learned in the book? We learned the pour, and we use the droppers to drip, right? Good. So let's make honey. First, if you like your honey in the water, so you can pour the honey in your cup, and you have some water inside, and you stir 你搅拌 ，OK？ 所以这就是一杯 honey water. Yummy, and it tastes very good. Yummy. 如果你今天想要夏天特别热，对不对？那你可以跟 Cindy 一样，拿这样子的冰块 ice cube box. So 你可以加一些水 ，you have some water poured inside the ice cube already, and you have your honey, and you have your water. Then you mix together, and you use these droppers, and you drop on the ice cube. 所以你就可以冰在冰箱，让它变成蜂蜜的冰块。那夏天很热，你就可以把冰块拿起来，直接你就有蜂蜜的冰块可以吃了。所以小朋友，如果你很喜欢吃 honey， 像这只 bear， you can also make this and have fun during the weekends. See you next time. Bye bye.